Hello everyone, and welcome back. Last time when I was up north, I was out cooking dinner, and there was an osprey that come down, and you get to see this, every couple of years. It came down and it caught a northern pike out of the lake and brought it up on top of a tree to eat it. We have one nest that's on that lake, and every single year they nest there. So anyway, on Jones Act Survival, I put a short clip on that long video of that weekend up north. And somebody commented that I should put up, because I have about, 17 or 18 minutes of footage. And they said I should put that video up for people to watch. Well, some of it isn't the best footage. None of it is super good, but some of it is a lot darker, and it was really windy at times. So anyway, what I did is took out, I don't know how long this is, 5 minutes, 6 minutes of it, and it's just simply a video of the osprey eating the northern pike. Okay everyone, well like I said, it wasn't the best footage, but how many times do you get to watch that? You really don't that many times, so I just had to put it up in a video. Thanks a lot for watching everybody. We'll see you guys on the next video.